Welcome aboard, fellow wanderers. The festive season is just around the corner, and we're here to help you plan the perfect Christmas getaway. Whether you're dreaming of a white Christmas in a cozy cabin or a tropical escape on a sandy beach, we've got the essential tips to make your holiday travel a breeze. Imagine this: a suitcase, neatly packed with all your holiday essentials, clothes folded just right, toiletries in travel-sized containers, and those festive accessories that add a dash of Christmas cheer. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing. Don't forget a travel-sized first aid kit and any items specific to your destination. Now, imagine your devices fully charged and ready to go. A smartphone filled with handy travel apps for navigation, language translation, and currency conversion, to name a few. And don't forget a portable charger to keep your gadgets powered up on the go. Airport navigation can be a challenge, but with a little preparation, you can glide through security like a pro. Online check-in and digital boarding passes can save you precious time. Remember, the early bird catches the worm, especially during the holiday rush. Accommodation is key to a comfortable holiday. Booking in advance can secure you a spot in a centrally located hotel using reliable booking platforms. And who doesn't love a good deal? With a little research, you can find the best amenities for your buck. And when you finally reach your destination, dive headfirst into the local festivities. Every place has its unique Christmas traditions, festive markets, and cultural experiences. Be flexible, embrace the unexpected, and make unforgettable memories. So, as you embark on your Christmas adventure, remember these travel tips and tricks to ensure a smooth and joyous journey. May your holidays be filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. From all of us at Island Travel Destinations, we wish you safe travels and a very Merry Christmas.